students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and God bless you. Optically active alkyl bromide we will discuss here. Step 1, carbocation formation takes place, removal of leaving group. Br negative here in this case takes place. The determining step is carbocation formation. It is the slowest step, so carbocation is formed in this case. Only concentration of substrate, that is alkyl halide, is taken into consideration. That is why it is called SN1 reaction. Okay, now front side or back side, front side attack will give you retention of configuration of the product, and back side attack to this carbocation, inversion of configuration takes place. Why either side of attack can be possible? Because carbocation is planar, sp2 hybridized carbon, so nucleophile can attack either side. So racemic mixture of D and L or R and S and R, 2-butanol is obtained, and they are in equal amount, so we call it plus minus 2-butanol. This is also there. So this is racemic mixture. SN1 accompanied by racemization. Example here I will give, and this 2-bromobutane I took, and when polar protein solvent and NaOH is attack on it, so Br is cleaved. This is leaving group, it is removed, and we'll get 2-degree carbocation, sp2 hybridized carbocation. It is planar. Okay, so this is planar, so attack can be on the either side by this way or this way. So we'll get S configuration or R configuration. Now one thing I will tell you, that here the structure is drawn like this. At that moment, if hydrogen is on the horizontal line, so whatever here we can say that it is looking like that it is R configuration, but it is false. It is actual configuration is S. Why? Because hydrogen is on horizontal line. So first whatever configuration you are watching, you write down. This is first priority group, this is second priority group, this is third, and this is fourth priority group. Since fourth priority group are on the horizontal line, so whatever configuration we are watching, that it is clockwise, it looks like it's a clockwise, but actually looks R, but actually it is S configuration. Like that here in the product obtained, it looks like that it is R configuration. First priority, second priority, third priority, it looks like that it is R configuration. So if this is false, okay, S configuration false, R configuration is true, reverse is true. So this S configuration false. Clear to you? So either side of this OH can attack to it, so we'll get this configuration, R configuration as well as S configuration. So retention of configuration takes place here inversion of configuration takes place. That is why it is actual S, it is actual R. Okay, so this product is obtained, and it is enantiomer, optically active compound will give you enantiomers. Here is optically active chiral molecule is there.